The ship's on time, perfectly scheduled, in fact, a little ahead of the game, I think. I went into the cabin factory, saw the cabins coming off the line. They're putting the cabins on the ship. The steel structure is primarily done, and we're starting to get to the point where we're getting into finishing work.
She starts to already look very much like a ship. It's a very big redesign of the vessel, what we actually have done for reflection. All the improvements which we have done seems to be working very well. We are very happy how everything goes.
It's amazing. It still has all the key elements that make the Solstice class successful, but we've been able to continue to add interesting aspects for the guests, but also to continue making the ship more efficient.
We look at reflection coming up, we think, all right, well, we did all of these terrific things on Silhouette, like the expansion of all the experiences on the Lawn Club, but reflection has to have some unique things too. And that's when we just went back to the laboratory and thought about the different things that we could do.
We have some new innovations that are launching on Celebrity Reflection that haven't been available on any of the other ships. And one of the ones that in every conversation gets the most notice and the most buzz is the shower in the new Celebrity Reflection suite.
Complete glass shower, and it's cantilevered, so you stand out over the ocean. You have these amazing views as you're taking a shower. The good thing is no one can see in, you can only see out.
What these suites have is just very unique. The view is just very unique. So I personally believe that these are going to be the best suites which have sailed on the oceans.
Because as we reflect on the success of the Solstice class, we also get the opportunity to think about what's the future. And I think a lot of the things that we've done on reflection give us a nice springboard for the future as well.